This is a medium-level problem that mixes vectors with gravitational fields. Let's walk through it together. Take a look at the diagram. Point X is between the Earth and the Moon. At X, the gravitational fields due to the Earth and the Moon cancel out. That's the key information. Now, what does gravitational fields mean here? Remember the four very important quantities in this topic: gravitational force, gravitational field strength, gravitational potential, and lastly, gravitational potential energy. The first two are vectors. The last two are scalars. The phrase cancel out is usually reserved for vectors, just like when we say two forces cancel out. So gravitational fields cancel out really means the gravitational field strength cancel out. It cannot be gravitational force because point X is not a mass. It's just a location in space. There's no force acting on point X. Now let's label the field strength on the diagram. The Earth field strength points left. The Moon's field strength points right. They are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, and this gives us GE equals to GM. The gravitational field strength of the Earth equals to the gravitational field strength of the Moon. Now let's move on to the solution. From the interpretation, we know GE equals to GM. And the equation for gravitational field strength is the small g equals to gm over r squared. Apply it to both the Earth and the Moon, then substitute the distance into the equation. The final result matches option C. Let's summarize the general pattern for this kind of questions. Once you see the phrase cancel out, you should ring a bell and know the vectors in the problem have equal magnitudes but opposite direction. Then you can write down an equation like what we did for this question. Afterwards, just plug in numbers or do the algebra. Remember, this technique applies to all the topics. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will reply.